A revamped Bhopal station. Let's bring you what it looks like. Station renovated at the cost of 450 crore Indian rupees. That's the cost to revamp the Bhopal station. The renovated stations have food courts. They even have restaurants inside the food court, of course. They feature AC waiting rooms, just like you have at the airports, a dormitory, VIP lounge as well, something that you only saw at the airports up until now. There are escalators and lifts to get on the platforms. It's a very airport-like feeling that they've given. 1,600 CCTVs have been installed for monitoring the whereabouts as well. And this is how the revamped Bhopal station is going to look like, almost like an airport. After UP name game, politics in Madhya Pradesh breaks out. Bhopal's Habibganj railway station is now going to be called Rani Kamalapati railway station. The Prime Minister is going to be inaugurating revamped railway station, which is now going to be featuring modern amenities. Here's a look.
It is the new landmark of Bhopal. The city's renowned Habibganj station will now be known as Rani Kamalapati station, shedding its earlier look for a spanking new state-of-the-art railway hub. The name-changing exercise at the behest of the MP government comes after a mega revamp by railway authorities.
नाम जो है पूरी तरीके से बदल दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन पर हबीबगंज जो शब्द थे उसे पूरी तरीके से हटा दिया गया है और रेलवे स्टेशन की इमारतों पर जो पुराना नाम था उसे हटा करके, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आकर के यहाँ पे उद्घाटन करना है, इसीलिए जल्दबाजी में ही चाहिए लेकिन रानी कमलापति रेलवे स्टेशन के पोस्टर जो हैं वो लगा दिए गए हैं।
Renamed after the tribal queen Rani Kamalapati, who belonged to the Gond community. The tribal community comprises the largest tribal group of India with more than 1.2 crore population. Chief Minister Shivraj Chauhan called her the last Hindu queen of Bhopal.
मैं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी को हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूं। मध्य प्रदेश की 8.5 करोड़ जनता की ओर से, हमारे जनजाति आदिवासी समाज की ओर से रानी कमलापति गोंड समाज का गौरव थी, अंतिम हिंदू रानी थी।
The revamped station on inauguration will become India's first world-class railway station with airport-like amenities, boasting food courts, restaurants, air-conditioned waiting rooms, dormitories and a VIP lounge. Adorned by modern escalators, lifts and 160 CCTV cameras. The new look railway station is built at a cost of around 450 crore rupees. The news was reason to cheer for some locals and BJP workers who celebrated at the Bhopal party office.
आज पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में भोपाल के अंदर जिस प्रकार से उत्साह लोगों में नजर आया है, क्योंकि सामान्य घटना नहीं है, इस भोपाल को पहचान देने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हमारे आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो दी है, इसके लिए हम सब कार्यकर्ता तो उत्साहित हैं ही, संपूर्ण मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर भी लोग इसको लेकर के हर्षित हैं।
The Congress had earlier accused the BJP of pursuing a misplaced saffron agenda like promoting cow and गौमूत्र.
देखिए, गौ और गौमूत्र का अपना उपयोग है, पर उससे अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था थोड़ी ना सुधर सकती है। अपने प्रदेश की अर्थव्यवस्था सुधरेगी जब निवेश आएगा, जब यहाँ आर्थिक गतिविधि बनेगी और उसकी हमें नीतियाँ बनानी है, एक विश्वास पैदा करना है। इस प्रकार के बयानों से अपने प्रदेश में किसी का विश्वास नहीं बनेगा।
Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav said BJP only changes names.
मुख्यमंत्री जी को नाम ही बदलना आता है, रंग बदलना आता है। जो लोग नाम और रंग बदल रहे हैं, जनता इतना वोट डालेगी, सरकार बदल देगी।
The renaming of Habibganj railway station comes amid renaming of several other railway stations in recent times. In 2021 alone, 2 railway stations have been renamed in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Madhuwadi railway station was renamed as Banaras railway station, whereas the name of Faizabad railway station was changed to Ayodhya Can. Earlier, Allahabad station was renamed as Prayagraj and Mughal Sarai was renamed as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. With Ravesh Pal Singh in Bhopal, Bureau Report, India Today.